All right, guys, how are you doing? Well, here is your IXL video tutorial, 8th grade, on this week's IXLs, which are HH5, HH8, and HH9. Okay, we kind of went through adverbs, so I just wanted to review them a bit. So we're first going to look on, is this word an adjective or an adverb? Now remember, an adjective only describes a noun or a pronoun. So it'll tell me what kind, what size, how many, what color. An adverb will describe an adjective, an adverb, or a verb. So Mr. and Mrs. Ellison have valuable antique furniture. So antique is what I'm looking at. It's in bold, and it's underlined what it modifies. Well, what is furniture? Did you say a noun? It is definitely a thing. So I'm going to say that antique is an adjective. Let's see if I'm right. Ah. My neighbor, who is usually tall, is always cautious around ceiling fans. Well, usually an ly word is going to be an adverb. And in this case, what is tall? It tells me what size, so it's an adjective. So unusually, in this case, will be an adverb. I think. I hope. Let's check it out. Yes! All right, now let's look at absolutely incredible speaker. Okay, at the conference, I heard an absolutely incredible speaker give a talk about the history of aviation. Well, again, it's an ly, and ly usually means adverb. Incredible describes speaker. It tells me what kind of a speaker. So this tells me to what extent is the speaker incredible. So absolutely is absolutely an adverb. All right, so that is HH5. Now I'm going to go back, and I'm going to go to HH8. There we go. All right, this one's a little bit more tough. So if you get frustrated, and with any of them, get a hold of me, and I can meet you in my Zoom room. We can FaceTime. We can do screenshots back and forth, whatever we need. It seemed as though the prosecutor had examined the evidence thoroughly than the defense attorney had. I want to have like more or most. Now more is where I'm comparing two things. Most is going to be more than two things. So I think it's going to be more because I'm just talking about the prosecutor and defense attorney. More thoroughly. Well done. Of everything in the universe, light travels the faster, the fastest. What do you think? Let's try fastest. Or do you think it would be most fast? No. Tongue seems to think the blank of all my friends. So more scientifically of all my friends or most scientifically? I would say most because I have that word all of my friends. If I can spell it right. Okay, so on this one again, remember, you have your more or most or your ER or EST. ER and more go when I'm comparing two things. EST and most are when I'm comparing more than two things. Okay? Again, if you get frustrated, what do? That's right, you come find Mrs. Brown. All right, and then HH9. Well, bad, worst, badly, blah, blah, blah. Mrs. Blanchard gave Luke the solo because he sang it the well of everyone, the better of everyone. What was that? Best. Yes, that's right, the best of everyone. Awesome. Brittany could tell you the story, but her mom tells it, well, Brittany, better? Why wouldn't I use best? That's right, because better's two people. Best is more than two. All right. The interior designer decorated our home blank than I expected him to. Well than I expected it to. Best than I expected him to. What's that? What's that, 8th grade? What do I hear? Better. Yes. All right. So this is our IXL tutorials for HH5, HH8, and HH9. If you have problems, don't take it out on mom and dad. Don't get snippy with your younger siblings or older siblings or anybody who is trying to help you. Get a hold of me. We will work through it via technology together. All right, guys? All right, good luck. I miss you. Again, this is due Friday the 10th, okay, by midnight. Bye, guys.